Is our life on the remote control? We are so driven and distracted by our devices. We can't live without our cell phones. People have died from texting. It is really worth that message you texted while you died so young. We have completely forgotten our true nature. Okay, so Facebook is cool, but living your life moment by moment is